You're watching Better.tv, home, family, life. And now here is Brooke Carlson.
So you have the date, you have the beautiful dress, you have the man, and you're all ready for the marriage. But what happens after you're married? There's a lot of things unmarrieds don't know that we're going to find out today in He Said, She Said.
After 37 years of marriage, I have to tell you, it's not a cakewalk.
When you marry somebody, you marry the person that you get. You can't change them. You're not going to change everything about a person. You have to live with their flaws. So that's just the way it is.
There's a lot of smells and noises that you have to be comfortable with.
It's not always going to be perfect and blissful.
It takes work. You have to work at it. I mean, no marriage is perfect. I'll attest to that. But you know what? If you don't work at it, it's not going to be perfect.
It's not all roses and it's not all romance, and that's what's nice.
You have to get up every morning and choose to love the person next to you, because that's what it is. It's a choice, not a feeling. And if you start your day with that, then I think you'll just work better together and keep each other as the priority.
Nobody's perfect. You're not going to change the other person, so don't try.
So after the honeymoon stage is over, remember this. Women, you can't change them. And guys, the woman is always right. Back to you guys. Hopefully I'm still engaged after this.
Thanks for watching Better.tv. Always on with home, family, life. Email us at ideas@better.tv. Together, we make it better.